lose your channel, you built 1 million subs and all that, and it's all gone just because of some old videos when you didn't know any better. A lot of you guys are searching no copyright sound right now and you don't know any better, so I'm gonna help you know better. Hey, please don't do it. Do not do it. Do not download this no copyright music. You searching YouTube for it. You're looking for some music for your vlog. You about to throw something behind there. It says no copyright. You think you're safe. You put the attribution down in your description. You think you good. Do not do it. Listen to me. Listen to this video. Listen to what I have to say. I have a video in the past that I did about this no copyright music. It's got over maybe I think 50,000 views or 40,000, somewhere in that area. And now I'm coming back. I want to do a part 2 and I want to update you. Please do not use the no copyright music. Listen to me. Save yourself any pain or headache down the road, or worse, losing your channel completely. What is the point of building an audience, building subscribers, growing your channel to a certain level, only later to get copyright strikes and have it all taken away? Don't go that route. Please listen to me. So in my last video, what I shared was an experience I had with a copyright strike and how it led me down the path of finding Epidemic Sound. Now, yes, this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Epidemic Sound, which is a paid licensed music library for YouTube. And now this is made with the creator in mind. That's why it's so dope. Now, there is an offer for a 30 days free trial, and anything you create and put that music on within those 30 days, those videos are whitelisted, green lighted to never have any issues with copyright strikes or royalty claims. So you don't have to worry about that. So the quick solution, quick answer is to go down, hit the link down in the description below, get a 30-day free trial with Epidemic Sound. Now most of you will be, hey man, he's just doing this to push Epidemic Sound, blah, 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 blah. Listen, now when I did the last video, I had no affiliation with Epidemic Sound. Now at this point, yes, I am an ambassador, but I had a paid subscription with Epidemic Sound for a long time. I think over a year of me using them and paying Epidemic Sound out of my pocket because I felt it was safer for me to get licensed music. I know these things because I have a past in somewhat in the music industry doing audio engineering and so forth like that, and production. So I've read music copyright law and all that, so I know how cutthroat it is, which is why I warn you, do not use a no copyright unless you have paperwork directly with the person who's giving you their music stating in writing, signed by both parties, you and the person who created the music. You have no agreement. Trust me, when the music label signs that artist and they claim publishing, which is what it's all about, publishing is how they get royalties on that music when it's played anywhere, they're coming for you. They don't care about no copyright YouTube channel that you had XYZ. If you don't have it in writing, it's null. It doesn't mean anything. So let me talk to you about Epidemic Sound. Let me talk to you about the benefits of it. Let me talk to you about why I use it. Number one, the library is crazy. It's stupid big. Like literally you can spend a whole day just searching their massive library trying to find stuff. I'm gonna tell you now, once you get up on there and you search and set some time aside to go through, pick all of the tracks that you like. You can set up playlists on there, save to your playlist, or you can just grab a bunch and organize it in folders by mood, genre, and so forth. And that's kind of how the library works. It's crazy, it's big. 30,000 plus songs on there and tracks, and over 60,000 sound effects. That's another thing. You're able to get sound effects off of there. I don't think I got enough air and stamina to keep up and tell you everything Epidemic Sound offers. So I'm gonna just keep it short and sweet, to the point, and try to let you know why you need Epidemic Sound. Another thing to note, all of the big YouTubers that you watch, when you hear their music and you hear some of those great songs, you're gonna find them on Epidemic Sound. A lot of these people use Epidemic Sound, the majority of them. So that's something to keep in mind too as well. How does it work? It's as easy as this. Step 1, you create an account. Step 2, you grab some music. Step 3, you create and post your video. It's really that simple. Another dope thing is on Epidemic Sound, you're able to download the full mix track, or you're able to download the stem files, which would be like just the snare file, the bass, and the clap and the instruments. So you're able to divide them. So let's just say there's a part in there, say it has vocals, you don't want the vocals, you could remove the vocals. A lot of these tracks have instrumentals, but if you get the stems, you can take the vocals out, have the audio. Say you like the song, you like the instrumentation, but you don't like the drums or something. Take the drums out. So you just want the piano and bass only, or whatever that you're creating. You're able to get the stem files, remove what you want, keep what you need, use it in your project. And that's really dope. That's actually very professional in the music industry. Like when I send a track for mixing, or someone sends me a track for mixing, it's stem files. You don't have to worry about any copyright claims or royalty claims when using Epidemic Sound, as long as your subscription is valid, whether it be the 30-day trial or you go into the paid subscription. As long as you're under that subscription and that product was made in that time window or time frame, you're good. You have nothing to worry about. Worry free. I can create and I don't have anything to worry about as far as copyright strikes when it comes to music, because I'm using Epidemic Sound. I'm covered. I'm good to go. Peace of mind for me, trust me, because I'm creating a lot of videos. Once you build up a library of 500 plus or 1,000 plus videos, you're not gonna go back and watch all 500 just to make sure. So why not start off from the beginning with 100% licensed music so you don't have any worries? That way you have no copyright strikes coming back from 2, 3, 4 years ago, all of a sudden causing you to lose your channel. You built 1 million subs and all that, and it's all gone just because of some old videos when you didn't know any better. A lot of you guys are searching no copyright sound right now and you don't know any better, so I'm gonna help you know better. Another dope thing about Epidemic Sound, it's cleared when you get the creator subscription. It's all clear for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitch. So you can use on all of these social media platforms without having to worry about any copyright strikes. You're covered, you're good to go. It's A1. And I'm gonna show you how you add your Facebook account, Instagram account to your YouTube subscription. So, you know, we'll do that. Yeah, don't forget your password, okay? It should end up like me. Locked out of your account. Okay, so when you get in here, as you can see, this is my active subscription for my channel, CJKnowsTECH. Creator subscription is $15 a month, which is well worth it. And if you have TubeBuddy, you get a discount. Okay, so right here, if you click on subscriptions tab, I can add my Facebook page, add my Instagram account. I'm gonna go ahead and add my Instagram account. I wanna show you guys that, just to show you that you can add in all of these things. So, bam, authorize, Epidemic Sound, Instagram is added. Boom, good to go. Add my Facebook, I do have a Facebook page. CJKnowsTECH, hit next, show a list of all pages you manage, done, bow. This is one. So I had to choose my actual page, that's what I wanted on anyway. So as you can see, I have Facebook, I have my Instagram, and I have my YouTube channel all locked in, good to go. Oh, latest. So right here, I like to go inside the latest browsing because that's where I can find the latest music. And a lot of times you get the latest, you know what I mean? Not too many people are using it, so that way you can stand out. If I want to search, like say if I wanted to look for trap music per se, I could go here, bam, look. And then you click play, and you can skim through it. It's subbing though. And you just click on another song. Skim. Okay. So look, they also have these compilation playlists where they put them together. So this is all gloomy trap, like moody trap. So you can listen to this, see what they got on here. Trying to set the mood, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get the gritty mood, you know what I mean? All right, so when it comes to downloading these songs, if you click down here on download, you have the option of download the full mix, which should just be the MP3 file as a song, or you can click on download stems. Now, I just clicked on the stems. It's gonna do the zip file right here. Let me open that up for you so you can see what's inside of it. So, if you go in there, now look, now it's just the bass soloed out. So it's like literally the bass alone. And then you got like the drums by themselves. You got the instruments. These are the instruments in the background, and then here's the melody. See, it's a total different vibe when it's by itself. And literally you can take that and put that in there only, or you can add like the bass and that and just have those two playing, take out the drums and get the vibe and feel that you want. So that's the dope part about the stem. And always inside the stem, you're gonna get the MP3, so. Music matters. Now this is something they recently did where they were getting with Peter McKinnon.
and Maddie, even Shameless Maya. So I guess these are their top picks and so forth. So there's always cool things like this that you can get into searching these if you need to find, like if you don't want to go through the big library, because trust me, the library is big. Look at this. You go to browse, you can go by genres, moods, movements. So like if I'm looking for a certain mood, like I need a dark sound, I can go right here, find one of these. It's real dark, you know what I'm saying? It's getting dark around here. I like the vibe of that right there. Oh, you can also go by energy, tempo, and lengths. Okay, so sound effects. You need sound effects. A lot of people use sound effects. You got a long library of sound effects. So you can add, a lot of times, when it comes to sounds or you're creating like short films, you'll put it in there. Like a lot of people don't know in movies, like all of the sound is added in afterwards for the majority part. Like even like to the point of like a car starting up and stuff, they'll add that in there. It's cleaner. We could go deep on the deep dive. I'll do that in another video, but for right now I just kind of wanted to show you the gist of how Epidemic Sound works and all that. So we're gonna cut this off, you know what I'm saying? Cut. You see that little red dot right there? It's because I'm recording. All right, cut.
All right, so I just showed you in the computer how to browse for music and how to add your Facebook account and Instagram account to your subscription, so that way you're covered on those platforms as well, because you know they check for music. They will take your posts down and hit you with strikes and copyright issues on those platforms as well. So be careful, be smart, cover your butt. So literally the last thing that's left to do is for you to go join right now. There's a link in the description for a 30-day free trial. Yes, I am an ambassador of Epidemic Sound. I'm more than happy to be one, honestly. It's not like, oh, they came to me. I went to them, told them I want to be an ambassador. I was already doing the ambassador thing with my last video, so I might as well become an official ambassador because I believe in their platform. I appreciate their platform. I use their platform in every video for the music to my creations. I love it. So I just want to tell you that. Go get you Epidemic Sound now. Trust me, it's the go, it's the win. And once you do that 30-day free day trial, you'll see value in it. And after you find that value, listen, another thing, let me tell you guys something, man. And this is something that I've done and I continue to do, and I started early. Invest in yourself. I understand budgets are different, but when it comes to like covering your creative process, I think licensing music is worth the investment. If you need a little extra something, say if you already have TubeBuddy. If you already have TubeBuddy, you already have access to getting a cheaper discount with Epidemic Sound. You know what I'm saying? You go ahead, hit the link below, sign up, and then later go through your TubeBuddy. After your trial has ended, you do the submission through your TubeBuddy. That'll get you a little discount. All in all, even at the full subscription price, which I paid in full for a very long time, because I know the value of having music and I know the value of being covered for licensing, you know, copyrights, royalties, and all that. I don't want to deal with any of those headaches down the road. I want to be able to create with peace of mind and never have to worry about that. So go ahead, hit it up, link in the description. You can thank me later and get out and create, man. I love it. I love creating, man. Let's do this, baby.